Hey you guys, I'm coming to you from my insurance policy room, and I really wanted to post this unedited version of me driving by our closed Walmart tonight. It's Friday night, and this is a main Walmart for thousands of people. Thousands. It's the closest one to my house, and it's about 12 miles away, and the nearest one after that is about 20 miles from that, so 32 miles away from where I live. So anyway, let's take a tour of the closed Walmart and the parking lot on a Friday night. So my local Walmart is closed for cleaning because everyone in the Walmart has COVID. So they just shut down. The parking lot's pretty much empty. Most of this is just people going up to the door and trying to figure out what is going on. I see another lady filming, which is really funny. And there's a sign on the door. I'm gonna see if I can't try to read it. It says, "Attention customers, store will be closed Saturday 8/14 for additional stocking and cleaning. Will reopen Sunday 6 a.m. But the checker at Aldi that I just finished up at said that his mom works there and that they are closed due to an outbreak of COVID. And that is all for right now. It's Friday night at 5:16. So usually this parking lot is packed. Most of this is just people trying to figure out what is going on. They're going up to the door and pulling on it and knocking on it, which is kind of crazy. Okay, bye.